The day Tunde disappeared, the school bell rang 3 times. But no one pulled it. Tunde wasn't the kind of boy people noticed. Not tall, not loud, not strong. Just there. He sat at the back of the class in government secondary school. His notebook always neat, his answers always correct, but his voice was almost never heard. And that made him a target. Every school has them. In Tunde's school, it was Kola and his crew. "Hey, ghost boy, you still breathing?" The class laughed. Tunde smiled weakly, like always. But this time, something was different. He didn't blink. He didn't blink. A pen rolled off Kola's desk, slowly, unnaturally, as if something pushed it. Nobody touched it. Who did that? Silence. At the back, Tunde just stared. That afternoon, Tunde went somewhere no one ever went. The old school library. Dust covered everything. Broken shelves, torn books. But in the far corner, he found something. A black notebook. No title, no name. Just a strange symbol. Inside were names. Students' names. And beside each name, a sentence. Chika fell from the stairs. Musa broke his arm during football. Every single thing had already happened. Then he turned to the last page and froze. Tunde, the bell will ring and he will answer. What does that mean? Then, suddenly, clang. The next day, Kola was waiting. "Bring your lunch." Tunde didn't move. No. The tension filled the room. Then suddenly, the door slammed shut. Windows rattled. The air felt heavy. Who did that? No one answered. But Tunde was still staring. From that day, strange things followed Kola. His locker opened by itself. His books fell, even when no one touched them. Then one day, he heard it. The bell. And the next morning, Kola was waiting. But this time, Tunde smiled weakly. No. Shaken by fear, Kola ran. But the sound followed him. Closer, closer. In the darkness, something appeared. A shadow, tall, twisted, watching. What is that? Tunde whispered. I think it chooses. Then the bell rang again, and the shadow lunged. The next morning, Kola was gone. No body, no trace. Just silence. Then, a new student walked in, sat at the back, opened a black notebook. Next, the one who reads this. That day, the bell didn't ring. But everyone